We're here at Mr. Robert Brumsey's house, about to attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle here. We've got our flat bar and our roof snake to make this repair. I'll start off by unsealing the shingles above it. Just enough to get in there. Shingles are pretty pliable, but they are also very worn out. We got that one unsealed. These. We got a tear here in the shingle. By unsealing it, we shall continue. Let's see. Where do we nail that? Okay, that one right out of there. Okay, we've got a nail that popped through the mat of the shingle, creating a hole larger than the nail head. As you can see, that nail came out of there from underneath the shingle. That hole is a leaking hazard, but we shall continue our repair. That one's wanting to do the same thing. I saved it. We got all the nails out of this shingle. We'll move on to the nails above it. We got another nail popped through the mat, creating a hole larger than the nail head. I have to get it out from underneath. Another leaking hazard. And this shingle we're not replacing because it's not damaged. But during this repair, it is damaged. Now there's a leaking hazard. Same thing with this one. Popped through, I was able to save it and get it through the top instead of having to grab it through the bottom. I want to do it too. All right. Let's see, probably another one. Yeah. Okay, well, here's the third one, right there. Another nail pop through the mat. You saw that pop back through? That's no good. Let's see. Another nail up there, isn't it? Must not have got that one out. Nope, didn't get that one out. Let's see if we can reach in there. Pull that one. There we go. That shingle's out. Now for the new shingle. Keep the camera rolling. Wait, I got to run and go grab a hammer. All right, sorry about that. Gotta grab my hammer. So we're gonna use a approved snake bar. Put these nails back in, that way we don't have to lift the shingle higher than what is necessary. Putting an L right in the nail line. And one more. Okay, got all our nails back in, but as we pointed out, all these nails that pop through the nail line, we got a tear in the shingle here, tear in the shingle there, tear in the shingle above it over here, and well, that's about it. But because of the leaking hazards from the nails popping through the mat and the destruction to the shingle that was not damaged, to repair this damaged shingle, this repair test has failed. Cut.